In this video, you will learn step by step how you can reset your WordPress website inside Hostinger. So once we have logged in to our Hostinger, once we are on the main homepage of Hostinger here, what we need to do is we need to go to websites, click on websites list. And then from here, you now need to go to WordPress admin. That will then open up your main website. But what we need to do is we need to go to the top left-hand corner, click on the WordPress logo, where you will now be able to view all of your pages. Now, if you want to save any of this, we need to save it now because once we reset, you will notice that everything will be gone. Now, once you've saved all of this information and your pages here, what we now need to do is we need to go back over to Hostinger. We want to make sure that we have selected websites list again. Once we select this, we now need to go to our website, click on the drop-down menu for tools, and you want to select File Manager. Now, once we do this, you want to make sure again that you've clicked on File Manager. If you want to delete everything for just the website, you can click on Access Files for howtoonline.org or whatever your website is called. If you want to delete for all of your websites, you need to go to Access All Files of your web hosting. Now, if we click on this, that will then bring you over to here. And then what we now need to do is we want to choose all of the public HTML. So if we click on this, what you will then be able to do is you will then be able to go to the trash can icon, and then you simply want to click on delete. Once we click on delete, that will then be removed. And then now we need to go back over to Hostinger and we need to reinstall WordPress. So to do this is very simple. We need to go to the left-hand side menu here, scroll down, go to website, click on the drop-down menu. And here's where you'll now need to select auto installer. From here, you want to click on WordPress. And what we now need to do is enter in a new title. So YouTube tutorial, I will then choose a new password and then you can simply click on the next button. Now, once we do this, you can go through the install process, click on install in the bottom right hand corner and then select overwrite. And then as you can see, this has now been fully installed. And this means that you have reset your WordPress website inside Hostinger.